So one of the great things about the Mazda 6 versus the Mazda 3 is the amount of space that you have in the vehicle. So for people sitting in the back seat, you've got a good amount of space, you've got some more trunk space. One of the other features that if you're just getting this vehicle for the first time, or even if you had it for a while that you may not know about, is that the back seats fold down and you can put stuff in here all the way up to the front. So if you're going to Home Depot and you need some extra space to fit some lumber, or if you're going on a vacation and you just want to fold the back seats down for some extra space because there's only two of you, then that's a great option in this vehicle. So you can see there's a couple of just little release valves that you pull on here. And then if you pull on here, to put it down, all you have to do is pull that once, and then it'll unlatch it, and then the seat will just fold down. And so you can see all that extra space that you've got. I've measured it out here on my tape measure. And so you can see there's about 9 feet of extra space from the front to the back. And then if you go up to the seats, like if you're just looking at the space from the back to the front seats, that's about 6.5 feet of space. So again, it's just these buttons right here that you pull back, and that you can fold both sides down. If this is helpful for you, give it a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe for some additional tips and tricks.